Making Cynful lasagna tonight. It's low carb, guys. Start out by putting your ground beef and your Italian sausage in the pan and go ahead and brown it. Mix it together. Add your onions once you get it somewhat brown. Then season with salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and stir all that in. Now we're going to do the ricotta. I put some minced garlic in the ricotta, some Italian seasoning, and some fennel. Now if you don't like the anise flavor, leave the fennel out. Stir all that together and then add a couple of eggs and stir those in. Get them all nice and combined. Now set all that aside. We've set the meat aside too. Now we're going to coat the bottom of the pan with some sauce, and then we're going to put our whey protein noodles in. There is a recipe for that. I've already done it. It will be up with this one, so check out that recipe. Then we're just going to build lasagna. We're going to put sauce and then cheese and then meat, a little bit more sauce, another layer of noodles, and then, let's see, there's the sauce going in on top of the meat. There's the cheese, and there's the second layer of noodles. Now, once you put the second layer of noodles in, you're going to spread the ricotta across the top of those. Then put some more noodles in and repeat the process until you get to about a ½ inch from the top, and then just top it with a whole bunch of cheese. I stick toothpicks in that so that it holds the foil up off the cheese so I don't get it stuck to the foil. Put it in an oven, cook it for a couple of hours, and this is what happens. You get this wonderful lasagna. And there it is. Now, I will tell you, it will probably take 2 batches of those noodles, so make sure you make 2 batches for this. I do have a link to a printable recipe in the video description. But here you go anyway. This is the recipe. I want to thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen today for this wonderful low-carb lasagna. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have an awesome day.